Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Lands, Mr. Malakai Pinau, Directors, Director of Finance, Mr. Dalal, Director Primary, Mr. Hemchand, the other senior staff from Ministry of Education, PO Case, Manager HR, Divisional Education Officer, Central Ministry staff, ladies and gentlemen, and our respected guest today, the members of the Vanua of the Kambara Island, the Naikelayanga District School, Pulabinakayu, to you and welcome to Ministry of Education. Thank you for coming. It's a very pleasant day today. We had a good session in Parliament. I just gave a ministerial statement before I came here, just ended. Nice and cool, both inside and outside Parliament. I want to begin by thanking the members of the Vanua, the school management for coming this far. You have come here for the children. They may not be your children, they may be some maybe your grandchildren or may not be your children, but it's your village children. But you care about them, that really moves us. We really appreciate them. For us, every child in this country, whether it's in Lao or whether it's in Yasawas or Undu Point, they are our children. And our Honorable Prime Minister is very committed to ensuring that we provide quality education to them and there's no obstacle for them to come to school. It is in this regard that for first time ever, from 2015, our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Minister for Finance, Honorable Kayu, has agreed to allocate in the budget the dedicated amount of money to purchase boat and engine. My recollection is before, Director of Finance would correct me, in 2015 we looked for money and then bought boat and engine. There was no money in the budget dedicated for boat and engine. But we, our government, we understand that we need to remove all obstacles. So we collected money from different line items and provided boat and engine to schools in 2015. Then in 2015 we made a submission to our Honorable Minister for Finance, now Minister of Economy, Honorable Kayu, that we need to have an allocation, dedicated allocation to buy a boat and engine to provide to numerous schools, not only in island but also in the interior who are crossing rivers. And they desperately needed it so that children can cross from safely. In some cases they would cross the river on Bilibili, in some cases they will cross the river on banana trunk. I won't believe it. It used to happen. So our Honorable Minister for Economy very kindly started allocating from last year, from 2015, and allocated in the last year's budget, and again this year's budget, and again we have made submission to include additional allocation for the budget that will start in July, and we do hope that we'll get through. But I want to let you know that we are very particular about students in the interior who are affected by any kinds of issues that becomes an obstacle. I want to thank the Permanent Secretary. He's here. Some time back, just want to let you know that he also raised the issue with us about remoteness of schools and how we could look forward, lean a little bit and provide assistance to these remote schools because of the additional disadvantage factors that affect them. So it's good to see members of the Vanua that your own son is here, a very senior member, Permanent Secretary, who has been thinking about your school. And it's our pleasure on behalf of our Prime Minister to present this boat and engine to you. And as I always say that this boat, I think the Taratala also said that the significance of a boat, an ark. My reading of it is that it kind of signifies a symbol of journey to prosperity. And I can imagine when the boat arrives your island, how your children will be so happy to see the boat, the smiles on their face, and the community as well. And I want to assure you that this is not the end of assistance to your schools. We are continuously looking at how we can provide additional assistance. We got about 2,000 to 3,000 mattresses about 2 months ago. We have distributed to all the interior schools where there are hostels. Where someone said to me there's about a container load of books are coming. I immediately said that as soon as we get it out, we start shipping those story books, reading books to schools in the interior Maritime, because they always have been neglected. Sigatoka and Nindi, there are schools where tourists, when they come, they bring books with them and give it to the schools. So all these schools in the urban area, or closer to urban area, they are well looked after. And that is why now from last year, year before, all the resources we are getting, we are pushing it to interior schools, because they were out of sight, they were out of mind, and they have been neglected. And we admit it, but no longer. No longer. We will continue to support until such time that we find all these schools are of the same quality as we have the schools here, Yatsen Primary, or Dean Bandhu Primary, or Rishikul Primary. We will not stop until such time, we will not rest until such time. So please pass our regards to the Honorable Prime Minister's regard. He is out of country at the moment, to your village members, to your people, and tell them that we will continue to assist them to ensure that every child finishes primary, comes to high school, goes to university. We will ensure that their dreams come true and your dreams, the parents' dreams come true. Thank you, Kaka. It's my pleasure to hand over the mountain engine.